Most businesses manage their books through QuickBooks or Xero because these platforms are the industry standard, making the prospect of migrating to a new system feel like a high-risk operational hurdle. But staying in that comfortable ecosystem comes with a recurring cost. Monthly subscription fees for cloud accounting software accumulate over time, eating directly into your operating margins year after year. This chart shows the 5-year cost trajectory of a standard QuickBooks Online subscription. A mid-tier plan runs between $70 and $85 a month, and that line trends upward the moment you add more users or need advanced reporting. The flat line that diverges at the bottom represents the roughly $20 a month cost of hosting an open-source alternative on a self-managed server. The gap between those two lines represents capital businesses are spending on basic bookkeeping, often driven by the assumption that cheaper tools lack modern usability. Historically, that assumption was justified. Adopting free accounting software usually meant dealing with clunky, legacy interfaces and frustrating user experiences. Accounting was built specifically to eliminate that trade-off. Launched in 2017, it is built on the Laravel PHP framework and released under the GPL3 license, bringing contemporary software architecture to open-source finance. Because it operates under that open-source model, the core platform carries zero licensing costs. Whether you track 1 invoice or 10,000, and whether you have 1 user or 50, the software remains free. The central question is whether the potential savings are worth the effort of stepping outside the dominant QuickBooks and Xero ecosystems. The answer starts with the interface. This dashboard shows accounting's primary architectural advantage, a layout that mimics top-tier SaaS products. It features clean side navigation and modular data cards instead of the dense menus found in legacy software. This design is intended to simplify team onboarding. If your bookkeeper knows how to navigate modern cloud apps, the technical learning curve is minimal. Out of the box, the platform covers the foundational modules you expect: invoicing, expense tracking, and bank reconciliation. The invoicing module natively lets you customize professional templates and set up automated payment reminders for your clients. On the payable side, the expense tracking tools capture vendor bills and provide visibility into your outgoing cash flow. You also get bank reconciliation tools that let you import your transactions and match them line by line against your recorded income and expenses. From that transaction data, standard financial reports, like your balance sheets and profit and loss statements, are generated automatically. For standard bookkeeping, your team barely has to adapt. By mirroring the workflows of paid incumbents, accounting addresses the biggest barrier to adopting open-source software. Beyond core transaction tracking, accounting provides structural capabilities that are usually restricted in standard SaaS tiers. This comparison matrix highlights the cost differences for growing businesses. Managing multiple entities typically requires purchasing entirely separate, expensive subscriptions in QuickBooks or Xero. Notice the accounting column turning green. Multi-company management is natively included within a unified installation at no extra cost. As the multi-currency row fades in, you'll see a similar trend. SaaS platforms usually gate international transaction features behind their highest pricing tiers, whereas accounting includes multi-currency support natively. For entrepreneurs managing a portfolio of businesses, these included features prevent the cost per company scaling that typically balloons SaaS expenses. To capture those savings, you have to navigate a central trade-off. Utilizing the free, self-hosted version means assuming absolute responsibility for your own infrastructure. Financially, this requires securing a standard PHP-compatible hosting server, which usually costs roughly $15 to $25 a month. Operationally, it requires either you or your IT staff to manage server maintenance, apply security patches, and handle version updates. Above all, you must ensure data security. On a self-hosted server, configuring automated daily backups for your financial data is critical and non-negotiable. If you experience a catastrophic server failure without a functional backup, you will suffer the permanent loss of your company's entire financial history. If that level of technical risk is too high, there is an official managed cloud version of accounting available. It transfers the maintenance burden to the developers for a modest monthly fee, and it still prices out lower than incumbent SaaS tiers. Ultimately, choosing the self-hosted version exchanges a monthly software license for technical overhead, data responsibility, and maintenance time. You also have to factor in the limitations of accounting's broader ecosystem, which lacks the decades of third-party development that industry giants enjoy. Mainstream integrations like Stripe and PayPal are well supported through official specific blind spots. Niche regional bank feed integrations or complex payroll calculations often aren't available, requiring manual workarounds or entirely separate payroll software. Then there are the operational logistics of moving your historical financial data out of a legacy SaaS platform and into accounting. Accounting principles dictate that you should only migrate your data at a clean period end, like the end of the month or the end of the fiscal year. Attempting a mid-period migration without a clean closing balance guarantees significant reconciliation errors, which can waste hours of bookkeeping time. Let's review the decision flowchart. Require complex payroll or manufacturing ERP? Skip accounting. Service businesses or e-commerce with multiple entities or international clients? ROI is high. Finally, self-host for maximum savings or use the official cloud for a managed experience. The goal is to stop paying for software features you don't use and redirect those funds into marketing or actual business growth. If your business is paying for high-tier SaaS subscriptions primarily for basic bookkeeping and invoicing, accounting is the definitive open-source alternative to rescue your margins.